Good morning, children. Today's class we will be discussing potential difference or voltage. First class, yesterday I did tell you what is electric current. Electric current is a flow of electrons. Electrons flow from a region of high potential to lower potential. Flow of electrons is called as electric current. So then electric current I equal to Q by T. So that is also we have discussed already. Now, electric current means to flow. Charges need to flow. How charges will flow? Charges can flow from a region of higher potential to lower potential, you say. Then what is potential? The region having more energy. The region having less energy, you can imagine. Or again you can take the analogy of water. Water will flow from the tank which is at higher position to the tank, which are the tanks which have been placed downwards or in the rooms. So now, as the water is flowing, you can understand the water level in the upper tank goes on reducing. Now I want the water to be flowing continuously from the tank which is at the higher position to the lower position. If I want the water to be flowing continuously, then what I should maintain is, I should maintain the potential difference. What is the meaning? Every time there should be water in this tank. If there is more water in this tank, then only water can flow. A stage may come that water is being emptied here, then it cannot flow to the next tank. Or we shall take another simple example. Let us imagine there are two tanks which are kept at same height. Two tanks interconnected. Now, when we pour water in the first tank, gradually, when the level of the water is more in the first tank, goes on reaching the second tank. Once the level of water is same in both the tanks, let us imagine you stop pouring water also. Now, if the level of water is same in both the tanks, water will not flow from A to B or from B to A. So, water has to flow means there should be some gaps, some less energy there. Here more energy. From a region of more energy, it should go to a region of less energy. The same way, we need to maintain. There are 2 points in the electric field we need to maintain. One should have less energy, another should have more energy. Then electrons will flow from a region of higher energy to lower energy, or the potential, what we call. That's what we call is the potential difference. Potential difference term is new to you, but it is also called as voltage. Voltage is very familiar to you. Often you can hear the people speaking, voltage is less, it is dim, single phase. So these are things you are hearing. So voltage means there is lack of difference in potential. So then what is voltage as per the definition concerned? It is the amount of work done in bringing unit positive charge from one point in the electric field to another. So unit charge is to be moved from one point to another. So work is being done, that is called as potential difference. Come back here. Water will flow from a tank which is at the upper position to the tank which is at the lower position. So work is being done, that we call it as the potential difference. The same thing we apply for electric current. Or potential difference can also be told as is a difference of potential between 2 points in the electric field. In the electric field, electric current will flow or electrons will flow. See, remember now, in the definition I have told, it is bringing unit positive charge from one point in electric field to another. So we imagine positive charges are moving from the region of higher potential to lower potential, that you will study when you come to class, but this is actually electrons are flowing, electrons will have negative charge. But still we have not changed the definition. The reason is simple. There are many laws and many formulas which have been formulated, taking that electricity means it is the flow of charges. So that's positive charges. That's why we keep as it is now, even though we know electric current means the flow of electrons. So this is the definition to study. But to understand what you know, that you are supposed to understand electric current can flow from a region of higher potential to lower potential, like water in the tank. If there is no difference of potential, current will not flow like water. So what voltage or the potential difference V equal to W by Q we say, where W is the work done and Q is the quantity of charges flowing. Quantity of charges flowing is represented in coulomb, you know, yesterday we have studied. So SI unit of voltage is represented as volt. If 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 coulomb of charges, then we say voltage is 1 volt. If 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 coulomb of charges from one point in the electric field to another, we say potential difference as 1 volt. Potential difference is measured by using voltmeter, or which is measuring the voltage. Voltage you can hear. It is a common term we use whenever we are using electrical appliances. Depending on the voltage, electric appliances go on running. So potential difference is the discussion today. It is the amount of work done in bringing unit positive charge from one point in the electric field to another. Our potential difference V equal to W by Q. SI unit of potential difference or voltage is volt. So this much we have discussed today. Thank you.